GPU offering is basically like every other virtualized platform with additional of the dedicated GPU card. Dedicated GPU card means allocated GPU resources on the VDIs or VMs. How and the use case of the GPU is, as you know, when somebody mentions GPU, it's more connected with graphic design, with gaming, with high resource allocation that some application needs. So mostly it's, as I said, it's rendering images and video. So far that was the case, but now as we are moving forward, the GPU cards in the last decade, they started to be used with the AI models. So because with them you can train and run your AI model much faster.
How would you say that so what specifically does GPU do that a CPU only enablement VM cannot handle on its own?
For example, the rendering, the CPU has limitations.
Mm-hmm.
One of I want to simplify to make it more non-techy. So the CPU has limitation of the processes that it's running it, and usually they are connected with the visualization, with the, how can I say, the visualization to run everything smooth. Even every CPU has a part of GPU utilization, but that's minimal because the main use is processing information. As you know, even the CPU without graphic enhancements needs to have some type of processing of the video, because at the end of the day, the output should be on the monitor, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's why GPU comes in play, because the GPU can process the rendering and the visuals very fast.
Mm-hmm.
And it can, how can I say, it can make run smoothly, because as you know, I started with the, how can I say, I'm older, so in the 90s with in the 90s when GPUs first came out, they came out because of that visualization and video enhancement. Mm-hmm. Because the CPU was not by itself was not able to keep up with the performance, and mm-hmm. therefore GPU cards were, how can I say, invented, right? Mm-hmm. for dedicated video workload and rendering processes.